I'm delighted to be here at this ceremony to reward and recognize outstanding MSMEs. And I congratulate most heartily the outstanding MSMEs that have won awards and prizes today. You represent some of the most remarkable examples of Nigerian entrepreneurship, creativity, and innovation. So today we proudly celebrate outstanding MSMEs all over the country, even as we redouble our efforts as government to ensure that your businesses continue to find an enabling environment to thrive. As we were going from one state to the other for the MSME clinics, I met several outstanding MSMEs. And I'm sure that several of them did not even make the final cut for today's awards. But I think it's important to let you know that you all left me with a very positive impression of yourselves and your businesses. And you're all winners, whether or not you're here today. I recall Atajari Rice in Sokoto State, Itele Shoes in Kwara, Glimmer Touch in Calabar, Ntoko Farms in Aba, Abia State, US Amasaki Enterprises in Katsina, and my very good friend Anwar Saleh, also in Katsina, Maljama Shoes in Plateau, and Better Products Limited in Ogun State. There are many others that I have not mentioned, but who are just as deserving of recognition and commendation. I am extremely proud of you, and I'm sure that all of us who have come across you and those who will also recognize the immense talent, the immense creativity and innovation in all of you. Day after day, you open your doors for business in the face of challenges, and you put in the hard work and dedication and innovation to serve your customers, to create jobs, and to make a positive difference in your communities. Today, we celebrate you all, and I want to thank you all very much for the very great hope that you give our nation and that you give us all. Let me take this opportunity to announce that in addition to the one-stop shops that have been launched in some states to carry on the MSME clinic interventions, we will shortly be launching our shared facilities for MSME initiatives in partnership with the Bank of Industry, with the FIRS, with NEXIM, and with the NEPC, and also the private sector led by Access Bank. This initiative will provide MSMEs with access to fully equipped cluster-style facilities for which they can pay an affordable fee to operate out of. These facilities would have been pre-certified by the relevant agencies like NAFDAC, SON, ITF, and NEPC, thereby removing the layers of bureaucracy that in the past held back many aspiring entrepreneurs. So in the shared facilities, you would already have the necessary licenses that you need from the regulatory authorities. So using those facilities alone means that you will not have to go through all of the regulatory chores and the regulatory bureaucracies. They would already been done ahead for you, so anyone who uses the facilities would have that extra advantage. We have also partnered with the CBN and commercial banks to launch a credit facility that will make available to MSMEs loans from 2 million naira to 10 million naira with a period of over 5 to 7 years and little or no collateral. The interest rates will be 5%. All that you will need is to provide the committee with a bankable business proposal and guarantors. The government is also exploring an initiative to allow a special window of 90 days for MSMEs who have not registered their businesses to do so at a highly subsidized price. This is a special initiative of the CAC, of the Corporate Affairs Commission. Finally, even while we appreciate the efforts and roles of all the partner agencies in the success of the clinics and the awards, let me note that I'm aware also of the complaints of MSMEs and even governors of some states where the one-stop shops have been established. that some federal agencies are not living up to their commitments as expected. We must make it clear that as a government, we've made serious commitments regarding the one-stop shops, that they be run efficiently and they are intended to fulfill all of the commitments we have made to the letter. And so it will be very important for all of the agencies to understand that we will not tolerate the shirking of their responsibilities in any way, whether by absenteeism or putting in less than the expected effort. What we've done with the one-stop shops are very important. We want to make sure that those one-stop shops present an opportunity for MSMEs in the states to walk in there, get all of the regulatory approvals that they need, and be able to do their business without any hassles. I've therefore asked my team to immediately provide me updates from all the one-stop shops launched so far, so that we can be sure that they're doing exactly what it is that they were set up to do. I must thank all the excellencies, the governors of the 17 states that we've been so far, for their unfailing courtesies and their hospitality. And also thank the excellencies who are here today, especially the governors of Cross River State, Professor Ben Ayade, the governor of Plateau State, Mr. Simon Lalong, the deputy governors of Kaduna, Mr. Bala Bantex, and of course, the deputy governor of Abia State, the Right Honorable Ude Oko Chukwu, winners of the SME, the most friendly SME state, Abia State. Once again, I congratulate you all and assure you that the federal government will work with you and support you all the way, because the success of your businesses is the success of the Nigerian economy. I thank you all very much, and especially, and I want to congratulate especially the winner of the MSME Award of the Year, Jerry Isaac Malu, and his dad, Mr. Isaac Malu Bua, and the very special ladies from Cross River State for the very, very excellent innovation and creativity. And to all of our awardees, I want to congratulate you all and wish you all the very best in your businesses. And we hope that when next we meet, we are going to be hearing even greater stories of the achievements that you would have made by then. Thank you all very much, and God bless you.